Ubocaphela izinto oyicela kuNkulunkulu zingagucuki lezo zinto oyicelile wena kuNkulunkulu zigucuke icash. Ngoba kunezinto sayicela kuNkulunkulu sathi uNkulunkulu esinikeza lezo zinto zase lezo zinto ziyaguquka ziba icash. Okusho ukuthi wena you were praying for a blessing, wena you were fasting for a blessing, wathi uyithola lento uyithola as a blessing, but wena as a receiver of the blessing leso sibusiso masifika kuwe sizobe sesiguquka icash. Ngoba abantu kuba ngathi nabadinga isibusiso ba understand ukuthi isibusiso sidinga i-maintenance, ukuthi uma usithola isibusiso must remain as a blessing. Ungaqeli into kuNkulunkulu akunikeza uNkulunkulu kodwa imess up nguwe, ngoba ziningi izinto esizikhalelako, ziningi izinto esiyifunako, but lento naseyifika kimi yaguquka lento yangihlupha, yaguquka lento yangihlukumeza, yaguquka lento ayingilalisa ebusuku, noma mina lento uNkulunkulu anginikeza yona ngikwazi ukuyimaintaina. uNkulunkulu yasinikeza izinto ezinhle, but the problem we are unable to maintain the blessing. Into isuka kuNkulunkulu yinhle, kodwa uma ifika ku receiver ifike iguquke ibe icash. Kubaningi namhlanje abantu abaqela izinto kuNkulunkulu abanikeza zona uNkulunkulu abalali namhlanje because of those blessings. Okwafika kuyi blessing kodwa because yena akakwazi ukuyimaintaina, akakwazi ukuyisebenzisa le blessing anikezwe uNkulunkulu. Uma i blessing ifika kuwe, make it a point ukuthi uyayimaintaina, it remain as a blessing. Whatever that you ask from the Lord and uNkulunkulu akunikeza yona, maintain it, ingahlukumezi. Abanye babanjwa ama depression kodwa lento ayikafikanga as depression ukuthi zokudepressa. Lento ifika ukuthi iqhaqha impilo yakho, lento ifika ukuthi ikhanyisela indlela, kube mnandi empilweni yakho, kukhanye zonke izinto, but lento yasiyafika kuwe yashintsha seyiba icash. It is because abanye abantu abanasi isiphiwo so nabaqela isibusiso abaye basithatha isibusiso baqhubeke nje nokuphila banganaki ukuthi leso sibusiso sitholile doesn't mean relax. Wathola isibusiso, you don't relax, you maintain. Number 2, uma uthole isibusiso, you keep on praying for that blessing. Ngoba kwakona ukuthi usithole leso sibusiso, uSathane was against ukuthi ube yilento ongiyo uNkulunkulu akunikeze yona. uSathane uma wena kufika kuwe uyayithatha leyo blessing ongayikhulekeli. To maintain a blessing takes a prayer. The more you pray for that blessing, unga rejoice too much ukuthi uyitholile into kade uyifuna, kade uyithandazela, kade uyizilela, kade it's been a breakthrough. Kanti uthi yes, it's going to be a breakthrough, but for a season. But in order for you to keep that blessing, remain a blessing, you must remain protecting that blessing by keep on praying, because you have to gain more blessing, blessing upon blessing. Kungabi isibusiso sodwa ugodle sona focus kiso kube naso siguquke sibe icash. Asitedane le ibusiso zize empilweni yakho. The more zifika ibusiso empilweni yakho, keep on praying for those blessings so that zizokwanda empilweni yakho.